Good, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. So this is BTCUSD. Let me show you how I entered that trade on BTCUSD. So it will be a very quick one. On the 1 hour structure, I went on the 4 hour structure. That is where I found out the direction. So I noticed there is a change of character here. The trend is changing. So that is where I was reading the structure quickly. You can see what happened here. This market was coming down. Let me draw it for you. This market was coming down. We pulled back to this point, and come down, push up, but we do not break the structure. So we come down again and take out. Here did not take out the structure, but automatically we are forming a trend. There was a pullback, you know, push up. So I saw this massive drop here. I noticed there's gonna be a drop in. I know there will still be more of sell, but have to pull back. At least I was aiming this point here. Yeah, this very point, but a little people did not get to that level, and we touched on this place and start coming down. So I saw the market coming down after touching that place. I quickly went down to daily time frame to see what the structure shows there. Let me delete this. I went to a daily time frame and I found out that we just retest this our supply zone here. Look at it. We just retest this our supply zone here. So immediately as I find out that we just retest that supply zone, I went down to 4 hours time frame again and look at it, and I saw this engulfing candle here. Let me mark it out for you. And I saw this engulfing candle here. Look at it. Look at it. That engulfing candle here. I saw that engulfing candle. So what I did is to went down to my 1 hour time frame and I found out this amazing setup here. I look at it and no, on the 4 hours time frame. No, on the 4 hours time frame, I mark out this zone here. On the 4 hours time frame, I mark out this zone here. So I went down on the 30 minutes time frame, straight to 30 minutes time frame, because that is where I got the confirmation. Yeah, I went out to 30 minutes time frame and I found out that it was aligned with my 4 hours time frame structure. So I set the limit order there. I set the limit order there for a sell. I will share the signal on my Telegram channel. I set that limit order, and this was where I was expecting my take profit at this support level, and this was my stop loss. So we hit our TP yesterday. Even we will take it more down. We will take it down even to this point. Yeah, that was my first TP. So the market come there and still keep going down. So I extended my take profit here. Once we get to this level, I closed it and I do not enter any trade again. So I do not enter any trade again. And now we are still seeing some kind of characters. I'll be dropping my video on BTCUSD on the analysis I did soon. I will dropping it soon. So you guys should stay updated because we're gonna make so much of money here again. So do well to join my Telegram channel. I do share some updates there. Okay. subscribe to this channel and turn off your notification bell. Also share this video and like, and your comments matters a lot. Thank you guys. That may be all for now.